Hi guys, welcome to RK IT HELPDESK. Today we are going to learn about how to create shared mailbox in Office 365. Let's start. Open Office 365 admin console. Expand teams and groups. Shared mailbox. Add shared mailbox. Type here shared mailbox name. I'll keep as RK. Save. Add members to shared mailbox. Which user you want to give access to the shared mailbox? Just click on add members, and to allow Ramesh and RK1, RK2 to access this shared mailbox. Click on add. These members can access this shared mailbox. I will show you how to add this shared mailbox in Outlook in next video. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment, share and subscribe RK IT HELPDESK. Thank you for watching.